In this video clip, we'll be installing our new material. To install our material, we're going to be using galvanized nails. Now, galvanized nails aren't going to rust or break down over time. Before we install our new material, we just need to bend out our flashing just a little ways, so when we stick that new material up under here, it'll go in a little bit smoother. Next, we're going to slip our new material in place underneath our flashing and make sure we're down as far as we can go to the far end. And we're just going to tack that in place with a couple nails.